checking out your heart sounds. I want to be taking my stethoscope and listening to your heart. Okay. Is that okay with you?
Absolutely.
All right. Can you first tell me your name and date of birth before we start?
Tristan Bishop, 10/31/01.
Okay. All right, Tristan. So first, I'm just going to wash my hands first. And do you mind taking your shirt off for me?
Yeah, sure.
First, what I'm going to do is look for the aortic valve. So I'm going to first find your sternal angle, and I'm going to slide to the right side of your body in the second intercostal space. Okay. And now on the opposite side of the sternal angle, I'm going to palpate or find the pulmonic valve, which is in the left second intercostal space. Now I'm going to descend down the sternum into the fourth intercostal space right next to the sternum on the left side to listen to your tricuspid valve. Okay. And now I'm going to find the midclavicular line